Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Kumanapalli and I'm glad you're watching this video. In this video, I would like to talk about 7 tips for healthy eating and drinking. Eat fermented foods. The process of fermentation can transform ordinary vegetables into superfoods. The culturing process increases the presence of beneficial microbes that are extremely important for your human health, as they help balance your intestinal flora, thereby boosting your overall immunity. Your gut literally serves as your second brain and even produces more of the neurotransmitter serotonin, which is known to have a beneficial influence on your mood. So maintaining a healthy gut will benefit your mood as well as your body. Fermented foods are also some of the best chelators and detox agents available. They can help get rid of a variety of toxins, including heavy metals. Fermented foods can be easily made at home. Here are some examples. Cultured vegetables, including pureed baby foods, chutneys, condiments such as salsa, cultured dairy such as yogurt, kefir, and sour cream. Include sprouts in your diet. Sprouts are another superfood that can contain up to 30 times more vital nutrients than even raw organic vegetables. When seeds are sprouted, the protein and fiber content increases, as does the content of vitamins and essential fatty acids. Sprouts have the following benefits. They support cell regeneration. They are a powerful source of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and enzymes that protect against free radical damage. They have an alkalizing effect on your body, which is thought to protect against disease, including cancer. And also, because tumors are acidic, they're abundant in oxygen, which can help protect against abnormal cell growth, viruses, and bacteria that cannot survive in an oxygen-rich environment. Sprouts are incredibly easy and inexpensive to grow at home, and making them a nutritional powerhouse that literally everyone can enjoy. Intermittent fasting. To achieve optimal health, intermittent fasting is very helpful. It is also known as scheduled eating. It does not necessarily mean abstaining from all food for extended periods of time. Rather, it refers to limiting your eating to a narrow window of time each day. Simply eat all meals or snacks during a limited window of time. Limit your eating to a window of about 6 to 8 hours each day, which means you are fasting daily for 16 to 18 hours. This is enough to get your body to shift into a fat-burning mode. Once you shift to fat-burning mode, modern research has confirmed the following benefits. It will normalize your insulin sensitivity, normalize the hunger hormone, and also promote growth hormone production, which is an important part in maintaining health, fitness, and also slowing the aging process. And it also lowers triglyceride levels. Take time to chew your food. A good portion of your digestive enzymes are actually produced in your mouth and not in your stomach. Digestion actually begins in your mouth, and chewing your food longer allows the food to be broken down better. As you chew, enzymes from the salivary glands also begin chemically break down your food into a size your body can absorb. Chewing your food twice as long as you normally would will instantly help you control your portion sizes, which naturally decrease calorie consumption. You will actually enjoy the taste of the food more if you eat slower. Eat locally grown and organic food as much as possible. Organic foods expose you to fewer pesticides, about 30% fewer pesticides on average. Organic meats also reduce the risk of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Research has shown that organic fruits and vegetables can be more nutritious and better fighting off diseases like cancer. From an environmental standpoint, organic farming is far better for the health of the planet and the animals being raised for food. Your diet can dictate your mood. So you may turn to junk food when you're feeling stressed out, bored, or lonely, but doing so is likely going to make your mood worse. The secret to improving your mood is also in your gut, as unhealthy gut flora can impact your mental health, leading to issues like anxiety and depression. In fact, the greatest concentration of serotonin, the happy hormone which is involved in mood control, depression, aggression, is found in your intestines and not in your brain. So choose your food in a way that will change your mood in a positive direction. And finally, remove alcohol. Alcohol is high in empty calories and it can also add extra inches to your waistline. When you drink alcohol, your body stops burning fat and calories in order to break down the alcohol first. This means that what you ate recently is likely to be stored as fat. Drinking alcohol also impairs your prefrontal cortex, which is related to impulsivity, making you more likely to binge on unhealthy foods. I hope that this information is helpful and you can start implementing these steps in your life. Here is a scripture to meditate on. All things are passed away, behold, all things have become new. 2 Corinthians 5:17. Thank you so much for watching and sharing this video with your family and friends. I'll see you again in my next video.